Hide personal data on iOS. Open App Store. Install Tele Document and Protect. Open Tele app. Get Start to first setup. Select PIN or password to protect data. Tele main screen. Import your data into Tele app to hide it. You can keep or remove original data. Select images to import. Do the same with videos. Import documents. Can open to read anytime. When done, you can exit Tele. Need PIN to unlock Tele. You can set delete data after failed unlock. Free app on App Store.